Hey guys, it's me, Susie. I am filming this tutorial for you guys today. I'll give you guys a step-by-step on how I applied this and how I made this color really shine through. If you guys want to see all the details and how I did it, then keep watching. I am on day like 15 or 16 of self-quarantine and it's crazy. I did a regular manicure and this is what happens when you do a regular manicure. I miss my chip. I'm gonna do my no chip probably tomorrow, but I just wanted to try like another color. So inspired by this, I wanted to do an eye makeup using some of my lime, can you see them? Yeah, like lime colors. I put some eyeshadow primer all over my lids and I'm using the 24-hour one from MAC. This one's a really good one. I like it because it's clear. The only thing though, it doesn't cancel out anything. So if you do want to have like more of a smoother base, then you kind of have to go in with something different. I think I want to use some bronzer with that, so I'm going to use this MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the color Dark Golden. It's just like a skin tone. I'm just going to get that really, really close to the brow. Oh my god, I can hear my dog leaning on the door. He loves me most. Let me just first try the Chartreuse loose. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of the Shape Tape from Tarte. There's almost nothing left in this tube. I'm trying to get every last bit, and I use those little like makeup spatulas for that. So I'm just going to put some here so that it can have something sticky. I'm going to use like a flat brush like this. It's going to definitely show up a little bit different. I think I just want to leave it like that. So I'm just going to like play around with some other stuff. Probably going to do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Alright, my brows are done. I think, I don't know if I want to put lashes on. I don't think this one is going to do lashes. I think I want to stick with my own lashes today. So anyways, let me move on to the rest of my eyes. This is the Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's brand new. It's their like breakup proof version. It's good. I don't think it's the best, but it's really good. So I'm going to get that really close. Okay. Into that. I'm going to curl them all the way up. This is the Voluminous PAradise. I was going to say Voluminous Black, but Voluminous PAradise mascara from L'Oreal. It's my favorite. I don't think I've ever loved anything more than this. I'm gonna work on my face. I think I want to use, what do I want to use today? Maybe like, I'll do like face and body to make super like shiny skin. I just want to waste it. I actually don't have a ton of primer anyways. This is the color C5. Oh, that's good. Oh, There's like no coverage, I forget. There's like zero coverage to this. Okay, let me just mix in a little bit of this. This is the Wet n Wild. This is a new version of it. This is like a really good foundation. Okay, I didn't say anything. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is their new dewy version, but it's not that dewy. And it'll go with what we're trying to do here, which is a dewy look. I can hear my baby talking. What is she saying? She's talking a whole lot right now. Yes, much prettier. See how much like nicer coverage can like just make your foundation look so much nicer. Looking at this, I kind of want a little flick on the eye, so the tiniest flick. So I'm going to take that Wet n Wild. It's the tiniest flick I've ever made in my life. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, better. I feel much better about that. Now I'm using the Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is the golden like corrector. I think there's like correctors and concealers. I think this is a regular concealer, but it has orangey undertones, which is really nice. And I'm gonna use my nail that needs redoing to blend it. But it looks really good with just by itself. But I want to go brighter. I think I want to go brighter. I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer. This is the Medium Beige in the 16-hour wear. It's a little light, but it does kind of oxidize a little bit. So it works for my skin tone. It does like literally get a little bit deeper before your eyes. I definitely got a black mascara bit right there. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna have to fix that somehow. Alright, I'm going to take my Pretty Vulgar powder. This is just a translucent powder. And I'm going to take a dry sponge. I normally would do it wet, but I'm not getting up out of the seat at all. So I'm just going to put some underneath there just to kind of keep it bright. Normally, I just kind of use whatever on the powder sponge and just kind of let it go there, but I'm going to add a little bit more just to make that brighter. Alright, I just contoured and I used the Nudestix. I actually just posted that on Instagram, so if you want to see what that looks like, I'm going to probably use it again anyways, but not right now. Now for blush, actually I have not used this in a while and I've been missing it. It's the Rose Romance Cheek Blush, Cheek Kiss from Milani. And it's kind of like a pinkier rosy tone as opposed to more of like an orangey tone, which I actually prefer. But these are really good. And I'm going to use, which brush am I going to use? I'll use this brush. It's like a really dense brush from Morphe. I don't even know what the name of it is. Yeah, there's no name. Just this really fat one. Just to keep my cheeks really dewy. I like these blushes a lot. They do kind of dry to a powdery finish, and I actually think that the finish is very, very true to that. So I do like these. And then for my highlighter, let me play with these. I do not play with these really at all. These are from Revlon. They were new at the time. I don't really know how new they are, but these are the colors Quartz, Rose Quartz, and Gold. So I'm gonna mix them both. I think I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, don't mess it up. I'm just gonna try to rub it. Yeah, that's good. Ooh, that's good. Okay, I'm into that. This is a very scary product. It dries pretty fast. So that's why I'm always like really scared to use them. So I don't use this when I'm in a rush. So the reason that you want to tilt your head a lot is you want to catch the light, and then that's when you'll see any harsh lines that maybe didn't blend really nicely. Just gonna take a little bit here. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild pencil. This is the same deal, the breakup or breakup proof like line. It was just the pencil and this that came out. And I'm gonna line my upper lash line with this. It literally makes a huge difference. I mean, look at the way like my skin shows here, especially when I curl my lashes again, and then versus here. It just makes the makes the lashes look thicker. Oh, by the way, I've been using this lash serum. I think it's the something in Rodin. I don't even know what it's called. It's this guy. And the writing is so small. Oh, Rodin and Fields. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I can't read it really well. But oh my gosh, it makes my lashes look so pretty. And I have not used any kind of serums at all since I was pregnant, which was freaking forever ago. This is just Smut from MAC. It might as well be black, but it's just the closest thing to me. Then I'm going to take a teeny dense brush, get underneath the lashes. I probably could have done this before I did lash mascara. Yeah, just to kind of make my eyes look a little bit more rounded out. I think I want black eyeliner. Yeah, I want black eyeliner now. Okay, here's my eyeliner pencil. I'm just gonna do black eyeliner. Yeah, that's cool. I think I need some more shine on my cheekbones. So I'm gonna use this, actually let me use this guy. This is from Motives. It's called Starshine. It's a highlight that I've never really used. So I'm gonna use it today. Yeah, that's nice. And Morphe spray. Maybe the Stila one. This is Dolce from Stila. It's a liquid lipstick. And it has like some glimmers in it, so you don't necessarily need gloss. Move to the same highlight and put it on my inner corner. Alright guys, that's my finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, I'm happy to do that. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!